you want to come to an event where you're going to be surrounded by the best investors and the best companies and really have a chance to showcase your talent, and really the best forum, the New England Venture Summit is really the only one, and Young Startup just does a great job in bringing together this talent. It's the best of its kind.
The size of the conference was bigger than I expected. There were 500 people here.
You couldn't get this many people in a room in a year.
I've been both an investor and an entrepreneur, and I think this has been one of the best opportunities that young entrepreneurs and young CEOs have to come into a fairly friendly environment and get some really good feedback and meet investors that they'd have a hard time meeting any other way.
I've been very impressed with the quality of the startup companies. It feels like Joe and the team have done a terrific level of filtering to bring very interesting opportunities. That's been excellent. And I love the format. 7 minutes per company and then get out of the way. If we're interested, great. If not, let's move on to the next.
A lot of the people on the panel were seasoned VC companies, and that was impressive.
We have to literally rebrand what we do, which is identify high school students, get ready for college, and make a good choice. So there's platonic shift in a double-digit component of the GDP. I mean, of course it's going to be, that's going to follow cyclicality.
If you're delivering the value you think you will and delivering the market opportunity, you're still going to make your money whether it was a $15 or a $25 million valuation in this round on the Series B. And so you have to look sort of what's the prize at the end.
There are a lot of larger VCs here with a lot of experience, and they share their financial insights. And I mean, as a startup, you know a lot less about that, but you can learn a lot here.
Everybody is accessible, and I think that's critical to be able to get in front of people, shake their hand, give them that business card, establish that initial relationship.
We saw some very interesting companies here today, and I collected some interesting business cards that I'm going to use.
I would highly recommend this. This is incredible value for the money, and any company that wants to grow and wants to move to the next step, they should be here. This is a great opportunity.
This is the best event of its kind in New England. That's why we've been a part of it for 9 years, and we hope to stay a part of it for as long as I'm making the decision.